In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Microsoft Teams to N8N. So, let's dive right in. First, you want to begin by adding a Microsoft Teams node to your workflow. This is going to be the foundation of what we're building today, and it allows you to seamlessly integrate Microsoft Teams with N8N, creating a bridge for all your automated tasks. Now, once you've got that node added, the next step involves setting up your credentials to securely connect the two services. To do this, head over to the Credentials section. You'll want to Create New, and then select Microsoft from the list. This step is crucial because it lays the groundwork for the authentication process. You'll be authenticating using OAuth 2, which is not only a secure method, but also a standard for authorizing applications. You'll need an Azure app that has the proper permissions to ensure everything runs smoothly. If you haven't already set up an Azure app, you'll need to hop over to the Azure portal and create one. Make sure to assign it the necessary permissions to interact with Microsoft Teams. Permissions that are typically needed include reading and writing messages, accessing channel data, and managing teams, depending on what operations you plan to automate. Once that's all set up and you've authenticated successfully, you'll need to choose the desired operation within the Microsoft Teams node. This part is particularly exciting because you get to decide what kind of automated tasks you want to run. For today's example, let's say you want to send a channel message. But keep in mind, there are other operations available depending on your needs, such as creating a team or managing members. So, choose what fits your project best. After selecting your operation, it's time to configure the parameters. This will involve details like the team ID, channel ID, and of course, the message body if you're sending a message. You can often find these IDs within your Microsoft Teams settings, or use dynamic data from previous nodes in your workflow. Be sure to double-check that the information is correct to avoid any errors when the workflow runs. Now that everything is configured, don't forget to save your workflow. This might seem like a small detail, but it's essential for ensuring that none of your hard work is lost. Once saved, you're ready for the final step, running your workflow. This is where the magic happens, and you'll see your Microsoft Teams integration in action. Go ahead, click Run, and watch as your automated process executes seamlessly across platforms. And there you have it. You're all set up with Microsoft Teams connected to N8N. Integration like this can really streamline your tasks and boost productivity. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials. Keep exploring and automating.